What's up guys, this is Karan here back with another video. Welcome to Tech Karan YouTube channel. So I've installed AICP custom ROM which is based on Android version 10 and you get the security patch of 5th of May 2020. This build is available for both of the devices including Redmi Note 8 and Redmi Note 5 Pro. I'm using Redmi Note 5 Pro in which I've installed AICP custom ROM. The link for both of the devices is in the description so you can check out, and until then we can check out the review that you want to install this build or not. So let's get started. Okay, so let me show you. First of all, I have installed here launcher to just check out which are the things working or not, and it's perfectly working. As you can see, the wallpapers, the icon pack, everything is buttery smooth. If we talk about the performance, this ROM is super great in the terms of performance. It is type of underrated custom ROM for every device. You can see the quick setting tiles look like this. You also get the option of header image, which you can see I have enabled the option of nature and it looks perfectly fine. You also get the option here to customize your brightness to auto or manual increase. Also get the option of buttons, which is a very good option, and here you also get the option of directly move into settings. And here you don't get any other extra options when you click here. You also have the option of choosing the columns landscape, quick bar columns, show labels and reset. These kind of things available here. If we talk about some other things here, if we talk about scrolling speed, that's just super great. The difference between both of the devices, which is Redmi Note 8 and Redmi Note 5 Pro, is only one, that Redmi Note 8 has official build of AICP custom ROM and Redmi Note 5 Pro has unofficial build of AICP custom ROM. But that doesn't matter because both of these devices has this build and almost all the features are same, just like the notch option is available there in Redmi Note 8 and some little bit of options. So I'll show some detailed option also. In Redmi Note 5 Pro, you get MI camera by default available, but if you talk about Redmi Note 8, you will get the Snapdragon camera for sure. And if you talk about GCam 7.2, GCam 7.2 is perfectly working in both of the devices. You can try out if you want to. Portrait mode, camera mode, everything will work. But in Redmi Note 8, there could be the error of HDR plus. As you can see in my Redmi Note 5 Pro, HDR plus is perfectly working. In Redmi Note 8, HDR plus could be the bug, so you have to check out that thing. But everything else is just super great and perfectly working. In Redmi Note 5 Pro, if you talk about the camera to API, as you can see, it's already working, it's already enabled, so that's why you can use GCam if you want to. You also get the phonograph music player as a pre-installed music player in this build. So I was expecting retro music player, but it has phonograph, so we have to compromise with that. This build has a lot of customization options, so let me show you all those customization features. But before that, we can check out some other features like battery. You have the option of checking the battery temperature if you want to. You can also choose the option of choosing battery manager. There is an option of choosing manage apps automatically. That feature is already available in all the Android 10 based ROMs. And moving on further, in display you have the option of dark theme, which is already present in Android 10 based ROM, screen timeout, display size and some other little bit features. Sound, storage, privacy, everything is here. In security, you don't get any face lock option available here, but everything else is perfectly working like fingerprint and some other things. And about phone, I have already shown you that this one is based on Android version 10 and this is AICP custom ROM. Moving on to some features of AICP extras. Here you have a lot of features which are present in AICP custom ROM. So which are those features? Let me show you. First of all, in auxiliary buttons, you can customize your power button, you can customize your volume button options. If you talk about navigation bar, you can enable navigation bar if you want to, and if you don't want to, you can disable that. And I'm using full screen gestures. With this pill, there is no option of hiding this pill, which disappointed me a lot. I was expecting this feature. In recents option, you can choose the slim recents if you want to, and if you enable slim recents from here, you can also customize. And I think this will not open. Yes, only stock recents are opening supported because we are using full screen gestures. If we use the navigation bar, then this feature can be accessible. In status bar, you have the option of quick pull down, some status bar options, some clock options, roaming indicator and battery options, network traffic, and some carrier label options only, which are already present in all the Android 10 based rooms. Some all rooms which has customization options. Notifications, you can customize the heads up, screen on notification. You also got the option of smart notification sounds here, show notification header, which you can choose, and which is a great thing that you can, if you want to show R style, Android 11 style notifications, then you can choose this option, and if you don't like that, you can disable this also. You also got the option of ringtone audio focus. That's a very cool thing which is not available in all the custom rooms, so that's another cool thing. Some options are there like flashlight blink for incoming call or blink for call waiting. Some of these options available here. Lock screen, you can customize weather, and here this is a very cool thing that you have a theme manager pre-installed where you can choose the icon pack. You can also choose the icon shape. You can choose corners to rounded 2, rounded 4, rounded 8 or square, so whichever you like, you can choose that one. You can even customize your quick setting shape, and you can customize your font. Some extra font options are already available, and clock style options are available, so whichever clock style you need, you can choose this one, which looks just awesome and little bit different, little bit unique. You can also choose the accent color. You also have the option of choosing the base theme and quick setting styles, and at last notifications. You also have the option to choose dark theme, power reboot dialogues, and settings dashboard icons. So a lot of themes options available here. In other UI tweaks, some little bit of tweaks options available, and some other options like gaming mode, animation, system behaviors, system extensions, and system UI tuner. These kind of options you get here. And about, you can see this is AICP custom room. If you want to see the full change log, you can see the fully change log from here also. So these were all the things you get here. I hope you like this build. I hope you can enjoy this video, and thanks for watching. Goodbye, have a nice day.